Welcome to the very first video on liquidity anatomy. Today we're breaking down a high probability setup on PENG/USDT using the 4-hour chart. This is a classic breakout and retest strategy, one of the most reliable patterns in crypto trading, and I'll walk you through why this setup matters, the exact entry point, key confirmation signals, and how to manage risk like a pro. Let's get into it. Before we hit the technicals, we have to understand the why. PENGU is the native token of the Pudgy Penguins ecosystem. Unlike many tokens that rely on hype, PENGU has a massive real-world moat. We're talking about toys in Walmart and Target, a massive global IP footprint, and the new PENGU Visa card, which allows holders to spend their assets at over 150 million merchants. This isn't just retail news. Institutional interest is peaking with Paxos support and talks of a hybrid ETF. When you combine this level of mainstream adoption with the speed of the Solana network, you get an asset that isn't just bouncing, it's trending. This fundamental strength is what gives us the confidence to trade the technical pullbacks. Let's pull up the 4-hour chart. This is where the magic is happening. For the last several weeks, PENGU was fighting a solid ceiling, a heavy resistance zone that rejected the price multiple times. But look at the most recent candle structure. We have officially broken through that solid resistance. This is a major structural shift. In technical analysis, one of the most reliable setups is the S/R flip, support/resistance flip. When a price breaks a long-term resistance with significant volume, that old ceiling becomes the new floor. Currently, PENGU is trading above this level. We aren't chasing the green candles, we are waiting for the market to come back to us. We are looking for a retest of that breakout zone to confirm that the bears have turned into bulls. Here is the blueprint for the trade. Our long entry is set at 0.008975. This is the sweet spot. It's right at the heart of that flipped support level. By entering here, we get a much better risk-to-reward ratio than those who bought at the peak of the breakout. 0.011480. This is our first psychological barrier. I recommend taking 50% of the profit here. Remember, the crypto market is volatile. Even the best setups can fail if Bitcoin decides to take a dive. Always manage your position size. Don't go all in on a single signal. We trade based on probabilities, not certainties. To summarize, PENGU has broken a massive 4-hour resistance. It has strong fundamental backing, and we are waiting for that 0.008975 retest to go long. If you found this analysis helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more technical deep dives. Drop a comment below. Are you bullish on PENGU this month? I'll see you in the next one.